Once upon a time, in a realm where magic and nobility intertwined, a beautiful princess named Elara lived in a grand castle surrounded by an enchanted forest. She was admired by all for her grace and kindness, but her heart ached with a longing she couldn't quite understand. One twilight evening, as the sun dipped below the horizon, she encountered a delicate fairy named Lyra, who was weaving stardust through the trees. Their eyes met, and an unspoken connection sparked between them, as if they had known each other for lifetimes. Elara and Lyra spent countless days together, exploring hidden meadows and sharing secrets under the moonlit sky. Their bond grew deeper with each passing moment, and Elara's heart found a sense of completeness in Lyra's presence. Yet, a shadow loomed over their happiness. The kingdom had long been bound by ancient laws that forbade any union between humans and magical beings. Despite their love, the harsh reality of these laws threatened to tear them apart. As their love became a beacon in their lives, they sought a way to be together, hoping to overcome the barriers set by society. Lyra attempted to find a spell that could alter their fates, but the magic she wielded could only offer temporary solutions, never a permanent escape. In their final moments together, as the dawn approached, Lyra had to return to her realm, where she was bound by the rules of her kind, leaving Elara behind with a heart full of sorrow. On the day of their separation, the castle grounds were heavy with an otherworldly sadness. Elara watched as Lyra's tiny figure disappeared into the mist, her heart shattered by the knowledge that their love could not flourish in the world they were born into. Though their time together was fleeting, it was filled with a profound and pure connection. Elara kept a locket given by Lyra, a token of their love, and every evening she would gaze at the stars, remembering the fairy who had touched her life so deeply.